This is the scenario what we call the rich get richer, and if you can keep getting north, all the new breeze is in the north. So if you get out into that wind first, and this guy gets the wind and he starts speeding off, and this guy's still doing 4 knots and this guy's doing 10, you can see it extends, but then there's no real transitions after that, so that distance is going to be hard to get back later on. So the rich are going to get richer, and hopefully we're going to have deep pockets.
Sometimes that's the good thing of the position we are in. We're fighting with everything we got, and sometimes it feels we don't got a lot to lose, you know, just to give everything, and that's what we're doing. So for sure, Dongfeng must have felt the pressure of us in the last couple of days, and we're not planning to give that up for the upcoming 10 days, hopefully.
And in this area the doldrums are very, very big, and as you can see in the ranking, since we entered the doldrum, all the boats come back, so it's a new start again. Since 2 hours we lost all our advantage. 8 miles to Mapfre, 11 miles to Vestas in 1 hour, so 2 hours. So that's sometimes very unfair, but we have to cross this doldrum and hope that we will be the first one to exit, because I think the first one to exit will take a good lead.
That was pretty cool to see a whale feeding like that, and we're just trying to work with, I think all the food groups are there. There seemed to be tuna and I don't know what else, but it was pretty full on. I've never seen anything like it. I can't wait to see the footage, because I sort of missed, I could see the whales in the distance, but I didn't see it come out and actually do the feed, but I saw the hump as it went over and all the boil up and all that, so that was pretty amazing, pretty special moment.